Hello, you're watching Hedgehog Video and this is the Marshwood Vale Young Farmers Ploughing Match 2017. My name is Mark Symonds and I'm one of the competitors in the 3 and 4 furrow class. Today I'm ploughing with my David Brown 1190 that I purchased in 2009.
I am in class 3, which is 3 furrows. I am ploughing today with my Uncle Peter's International 414 with a 3 furrow ransom plough that Dad bought at a Huntington rally about 2 years ago. 5 of us here today: Dad, Uncle, brother and great uncle.
I'm Luke Barrington, Marshwood Vale Young Farmer. Today is our yearly ploughing match and we're at Crepe farm at Symondsbury. New Holland T7 190 with a 5 furrow Vogel and Newt reversible plough. It's a 17 plate, yeah, it's only done 40 hours. It's got a few more to do yet. 40 people ploughing today, 5 young farmers, 7 young farmers, 5 in the reversible class and 2 with older tractors and ploughs. But yeah, no, it's going well so far. Our category is the Class 1 Young Farmers Reversible Plough, which means you have a plough which has got furrows on both sides of the body of the plough. Oh no, I definitely won't win, no.
And in first place is Luke Barrington. Thank Symondsbury Estate for holding us. Also I'd like to thank our 4 judges, Stafford Cox, Henry Cox, Dave Dunkerton and Pete Saunders. Class 1A, which is Young Farmers Conventional. In second place is Amy Wanacott. And Class 1A in first place is Michael Crepe. By Class 1B, third place is George Doble. Second place is Shaun and Luke.
Good job.
And in first place is Luke Barrington.
We'll take the big one.
Also for the young farmers, the best overall was also Luke Barrington. And also, because it's a county event, the best Dorset young farmer is also Luke Barrington. In Class 2, we only have one entry. So first place is John Harris. In Class 3, third place is Barry Dennett.
Well done, George.
Second place is Mark Simmons. And in first place is Pete Legg. Moving on to Class 4. In third place is David Cobb. Second place is Trevor Miles. And in first place is Brian Johnston. Class 5, in third place is Bruce Carter. Second place is Tony Ascott. Thank you. And in first place is Malcolm Selby. And we've got a novice cup, which is for Shaun and Luke. Also, the best overall for highest points is Malcolm Selby. Just like to thank you all for coming and have a safe journey home.
They say that a bad ploughman blames his tools, but as you can see, there's nothing wrong with me. Don't put that in.